Welcome back. We need to find out which of these following relations are true and which are false. Let us go through one by one. So the first relationship is false since it is arbitrary motion. So the following relation cannot hold the arbitrary relations. Next one is true as the relation relates displacement with time correctly. Next one is false, which is this, because it's valid only in case of uniform acceleration motion. This one is also false because the given equation is valid only in case of uniform acceleration motion, and we are already told that these are arbitrary motion in space. So acceleration can be no uniform. And the last one is true because this is universal relation between acceleration and velocity time, as the definition acceleration of acceleration is given by this.